Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Deborah and I usually do subscription unboxings, but today I have a haul from Nordstrom Rack. I really love shopping there for jeans, especially. They have great deals on jeans, but this time I found this floral top by, it says and layered. It ran kind of big, so I actually got an extra small in this because it's kind of flowy. It was $24.97. I love the floral. You know, I'm all about florals. And it's got like a tulip sleeve, so I could actually wear this in summer or winter with a cardigan. Oliver's checking it out. And I got this yellow sweater. I do love yellow, but I'm just not sure if it's a color that looks good on me. So I'm not sure about this one. It is, let's see, it's by 14th and Union. It's a size small and it was $19.97. It's got the seam down the front. Okay, and I got a pair of jeans. These are, I've been wanting some that were really distressed. These are by Vigos. Size 27, it says Luxe Stretch, super skinny, Marley mid-rise, and they have a lot of distressing. So I wanted to try something like that. And then I got one of the things, I don't know if I want to keep these. It's a pair of shoes by Steve Madden. They're more like, I guess for fall, it's getting to the point now where I probably wouldn't get much wear out of them. I might just return them and get something similar next year. They were $59.97, so I think those might go back. Okay, well I will try on the jeans and the top and the sweater. Okay, so I have on the sweater and the jeans. The sweater, it's made out of 100% acrylic, so it's not itchy, but it's not super soft, you know, like a Stitch Fix sweater. It's kind of fitted in the sleeves and just, it's a good fit. Has the V-neck. But what do y'all think of the color? I was thinking when I bought it, well, I never go to the games, but I did go to LSU, so they're purple and gold, so it does fit for watching LSU football. And then these jeans are super comfortable. They're very stretchy, they fit perfectly. I'm just not sure about all this distressing. Okay, that is a lot of distressing. So what do y'all think? Did I tell you the price? These jeans were only $36.97. So they are a good deal. Okay, here's the floral top. I really like this. You see it has like little peacocks and pretty flowers. It's got yellows and gray and lavender, green. It just fits across the shoulder and the chest, but it was blousy in the hips, so that's why I sized down on this one. I put my other jeans back on because I thought all the distressing didn't look quite right with this floral top. And I have two cardigans. This one is just like a dark gray that I got at the Gap. It does have some gray in it. Or tell me which one y'all like better with this top. This is my Stitch Fix Cotton Emporium cardigan that seems to match everything. I'm always grabbing for it. Okay, so I'd love to hear your opinions. Do you like the jeans with all the distressing? Do you like this sweater? It's a color I don't normally wear. And the shoes, I think they're gonna go back. I'm not gonna try them on for you, but so. And the top. I'm definitely leaning towards keeping the top, but I'm just not sure about the jeans and the sweater. Okay guys, that was my mini haul from Nordstrom Rack. Thanks for watching today. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe below if you'd like to see more from me.